Hey everyone! Welcome to Tech Pulse YouTube channel. If you love gaming and tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 888starze and exploring two of its best games. Ones that aren't just fun to play, but also give you the chance to earn real money. I'll break down what makes them special, how they work, and why they're worth your time. So, stick around, and let's get into it. Today, I'm going to introduce you to two incredible games, both of which have the potential to make you a lot of money. But first, let's dive into a game that truly stands out. A game where skill, strategy, and a little bit of luck can turn your time into serious earnings. Get ready, because this one is a game changer. First, head over to 888starze, where you'll find an incredible selection of games. But today, we're focusing on one special game, one that has the potential to bring you serious winnings. So, get ready as we explore this exciting opportunity that could turn your gameplay into real rewards. Follow my steps from now on. If you lose once, you double your investment. But think about it. Each loss pushes your risk higher. The deeper you go, the more you have to invest, just to break even. One long losing streak can wipe you out completely. So, is it really a winning strategy? Or just a trap disguised as a shortcut? But that's not all. Let's take a look at the other game. Just like the first, it offers incredible earning potential. With exciting gameplay and rewarding opportunities, this game could be your next big win. Ready to explore it? Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you are ready to explore these games and start winning, go check them out now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next one.